Give it to me like.
Welcome to AMBRO Manufacturing, where we bring custom mitzvah hoodies to life. Whether it's for a bar mitzvah or bat mitzvah, we specialize in high-quality, custom-printed hoodies that make your celebration unforgettable. It all starts with the design. Customers send us their artwork, or our in-house team creates something unique. Once the design is finalized, we move to production. We begin by selecting premium hoodies in the perfect colors and sizes. Next, our advanced screen printing process ensures crisp, vibrant prints that last. We carefully align each hoodie on the press, apply specialty inks, and use high-temperature dryers to cure the designs for a durable finish. If a customer chooses embroidery, our precision embroidery machines stitch detailed monograms, logos, or event dates, adding a premium touch. Each hoodie undergoes a thorough quality check before moving to packaging. Finally, we fold, pack, and ship the finished hoodies directly to our customers, ready to be worn and enjoyed. AMBRO Manufacturing takes pride in delivering custom mitzvah hoodies that are stylish, comfortable, and built to last. Whether for party favors, giveaways, or personalized gifts, we make sure every piece represents your special day perfectly. For more information, visit ambromanufacturing.com and let's create something amazing for your event.